Cutting back on calories doesn't mean you have to constantly feel hungry or unsatisfied between meals. Eating a wide variety of filling foods with plenty of protein and fiber can decrease hunger to make weight loss easier than ever. Here are 13 low-calorie foods that are surprisingly filling. Number 1. Oats. Oats can be an excellent addition to a healthy weight loss diet. They're not only low in calories but also high in protein and fiber that keep you feeling full. A 1-second cup serving of dry oats has just 148 calories but packs 5.5 grams of protein and 3.8 grams of fiber, both of which can have a significant impact on your hunger and appetite. One study in 48 adults demonstrated that eating oatmeal increased feelings of fullness and reduced hunger and calorie intake at the next meal. Number 2. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a great source of protein that can help curb cravings and promote weight loss. Though the exact numbers vary between brands and flavors, a 2/3 cup serving of Greek yogurt typically provides about 130 calories and 11 grams of protein. One study in 20 women examined how a high-protein yogurt snack affected appetite compared to unhealthy, high-fat snacks like chocolate or crackers. Not only did women who ate yogurt experience less hunger, but they also consumed 100 fewer calories at dinner than those who ate crackers or chocolate. Number 3. Soup. Though soup is often dismissed as little more than a light and simple side dish, it can be very satisfying. In fact, some research suggests that soups may be more filling than solid foods, even if they have the same ingredients. For example, one study in 12 people indicated that smooth soup slowed the emptying of the stomach and was more effective at promoting fullness than a solid meal or chunky soup. In another study in 60 people, eating soup prior to a meal decreased total calorie intake at lunch by an impressive 20%. Number 4. Berries. Berries including strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries are loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can optimize your health. Their high fiber content also boosts weight loss and reduces hunger. For example, 1 cup of blueberries supplies just 84 calories but packs 3.5 grams of fiber. Berries are also a great source of pectin, a type of dietary fiber that has been shown to slow stomach emptying and increase feelings of fullness in human and animal studies. This could also help cut calorie consumption to aid weight loss. One study noted that a 65-calorie afternoon snack of berries decreased calories intake later in the day compared to a 65-calorie confectionery snack. Number 5. Eggs. Eggs are extremely nutrient-dense as they are low in calories but rich in many vital nutrients. A single large egg has approximately 72 calories, 6 grams of protein, and a wide array of important vitamins and minerals. Studies suggest that starting your day with a serving of eggs can reduce hunger and boost fullness. In a study in 3 women, those who ate eggs for breakfast instead of a bagel experienced greater feelings of fullness and consumed 105 fewer calories later in the day. Number 6. Popcorn. Thanks to its high fiber content, popcorn tops the charts as one of the most filling low-calorie snacks. Though there are only 31 calories in 1 cup of air-popped popcorn, it boasts 1.2 grams of dietary fiber, up to 5% of your daily fiber needs. Not only does fiber slow your digestive process to promote fullness, but it can also stabilize blood sugar to prevent hunger and cravings. Additionally, popcorn can help reduce appetite and enhance feelings of fullness more than many other popular snack foods. However, keep in mind that these benefits apply to air-popped popcorn. Many ready-made varieties are prepared with a lot of unhealthy fats, artificial flavorings, and added salt or sugar, which greatly increase the calorie content. Number 7. Chia Seeds. Often hailed as a serious superfood, chia seeds pack a high amount of protein and fiber into a low number of calories. Chia seeds are especially high in soluble fiber, a type of fiber that absorbs liquid and swells in your stomach to promote feelings of fullness. In fact, some research observes that chia seeds can absorb 10 to 12 times their weight in water, moving slowly through your digestive tract to keep you feeling full. Adding a serving or two of chia seeds to your daily diet can curb cravings and reduce appetite. In one study in 24 adults, those who consumed yogurt with added chia seeds reported decreased hunger, less desire for sugary foods, and enhanced feelings of fullness compared to the control group. Number 8. Fish. Fish is rich in protein and heart-healthy fats. For instance, a 3-ounce or 85-gram serving of cod provides over 15 grams of protein and under 70 calories. Some research points out that increasing protein intake can decrease appetite and reduce levels of ghrelin, the hormone that stimulates hunger. What's more, fish protein may be especially beneficial for reducing hunger levels and appetite. To cut calorie consumption even further, opt for lean fish like cod, flounder, halibut, sardines, or mackerel. Number 9. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is a great source of protein and an excellent snack for those looking to lose weight. 1 cup of low-fat cottage cheese packs about 28 grams of protein and just 163 calories. Multiple studies demonstrate that upping your protein intake from foods like cottage cheese can decrease appetite and hunger levels. Some research also suggests that eating protein can slow the emptying of your stomach to prolong feelings of fullness. Number 10. Potatoes. Potatoes are often dismissed as unhealthy and harmful due to their association with high-fat French fries and potato chips. However, the truth is that potatoes can be a filling and nutritious part of a healthy diet. One medium-bagged potato with the skin contains 161 calories but provides 4 grams each of protein and fiber as well. In fact, a study evaluating the effects of certain foods on satiety or fullness ranked boiled potatoes as the most filling with a score of 323 on the satiety index, nearly 7 times higher than croissants. Number 11. Lean meat. Lean meat can efficiently reduce hunger and appetite between meals. Lean meats like chicken, turkey, and low-fat cuts of red meat are low in calories but loaded with protein. For example, 4 ounces or 112 grams of cooked chicken breast contains about 185 calories and 35 grams of protein. Research suggests that insufficient protein intake could increase hunger and appetite, while eating more protein can reduce calorie intake and hunger levels. Number 12. Legumes. Because of their high protein and fiber content, legumes such as beans, peas, and lentils can be incredibly filling. 1 cup of cooked lentils provides about 230 calories as well as 50.6 grams of fiber and nearly 18 grams of protein. Multiple studies prove that legumes have a powerful effect on hunger and appetite. One study in 34 young men noted that a high-protein meal with beans and peas increased feelings of fullness and reduced appetite and hunger more than a high-protein meal with a veal and pork. Number 13. Watermelon. Watermelon has a high water content to keep you hydrated and full while supplying a minimal number of calories. 1 cup of diced watermelon contains 46 calories alongside an assortment of essential micronutrients like vitamin A and C. Eating foods with a low calorie density such as watermelon has been shown to have similar effects on feelings of fullness and hunger compared to high calorie density foods. Plus, foods with a lower calorie density have been linked to lower body weight and decreased calorie intake. Paired with an active lifestyle and well-rounded diet, these low-calorie foods can keep you feeling satisfied throughout the day. Do you think which food is best for weight loss? Let us know in the comments below. That's it. This video has come to an end. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the next videos, and don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thank you so much.